This week's announcement by the Securities and Exchange Commission that Phase 1 of payment of government's bailout package will cater for clients of the 22 fund management companies and the official liquidation was met by anger and frustration from different stakeholders, especially customers of Black Shield Capital Management Limited, formerly Gold Coast Fund Management Limited. According to them, claims filed by clients of Black Shield Capital make up over 80% of the total number of claims filed, hence the need for them to be included, despite the SEC citing an ongoing legal case as a key reason preventing the official liquidator from including them in the first phase of the payments program. Reverend Daniel Ogbamitete is the Director General of the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, and he reiterates the fact that payments cannot be made without following due process.
The bailout package from the government will be rolled out when two conditions have been fulfilled. One, when the liquidation order has been secured, and then two, when your claims have been validated. And I think it's reasonable to know that you cannot pay a claim if it hasn't been validated. I mean, on what basis are you going to do that? And we are using a liquidation pathway. So Black Shield is not one of the 22 companies that we have secured liquidation orders. So it will be in the remaining companies. And in the press release, we said Phase 1 will be for these companies that we have the liquidation orders. And then Phase 2 will be the remainder of the companies as and when we get the liquidation orders. But Black Shield, the other thing about Black Shield is that the validation of their claims is not complete. You know, I mentioned that 40 companies that we have full access to their records. We've been able to validate it completely. Black Shield is not part of the 40.
The Registrar General, which is the official liquidator of the 50 fund management companies whose licenses remain revoked, has on the other hand called for the active participation of affected clients in its upcoming creditor meetings, which is to ensure a smooth payment process. The Registrar General, Mrs. Jimamawari, explained that the creditor meetings, which will commence on Monday, September 7th, are being held for the 22 fund management companies under official liquidation.
So we're going to do for the first time a virtual creditors meeting.
Wow.
Yeah, it's not been done.
Amazing.
We have to do a virtual creditors meeting, and we have actually going to use Zoom meetings. We've been sending out the links to these people because we've scheduled the meetings from 7th September to 11th September. And every company has a slot. So, for instance, Intermarket, from 9 to 11 a.m., I'm going to have my first virtual creditors meeting with them. I've already sent out the links to the various telephone numbers our agent collected. What we are realizing is some numbers were wrong. So, please, I'm using this opportunity. I'm going to put out a telephone number. For if you know that you sent wrong telephone numbers, please call 0244 369 143. That's one of my offices. And send the right telephone number so we can forward the right link.
Okay.
Because we need you to be part of this virtual meeting.
Mrs. Owari further assured that all steps have been taken to ensure the first batch of payment for clients of the 22 fund management companies under official liquidation comes off by the end of September.
Okay, so say I do my first creditor meetings from the 7th to the 11th. Next, after that is from the 13th to the next, we'll find a suitable date, and I have to send another notice for that. But definitely the next week. If we do the class meetings before the end of September, we should start paying. That's
before the end of September.
We should start paying the first set of 20 investors whose claims have been validated.
Fantastic.
There are processes that I'll spell out to them at the class meeting. It's not just, I'm not just going to be paying monies out for paying sake. There is a procedure. Because remember that this is a bailout, but as the liquidator, I would need to get assets to liquidate, to pay back to government.
So you are the one doing the payment, not SEC?
No, I come in at this stage.
Wow.
SEC has done its bit. They've handed over these babies to me.
Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to our Citi TV YouTube channel for more videos on the business dashboard.
Tune in and stay updated on the key business news stories of the day with Business Dashboard every weekday at 7 p.m. only on Citi TV.